Hi, my name is Matt Christel, Product and Business Development Manager from Superior DieSet Corporation. We recently returned from a 2021 Fabtech show in Chicago. It was great to be back on the road after a challenging 2020. Got to meet many of our long-standing customers, reestablish relationships with our suppliers, and see many of the innovations taking place in the industry. This die set made it to the floor. This 5,000-pound die set is a representation of the many products that we can offer at Superior DieSet. It measures 30 by 48 inches and includes many of the different components from large to small. This bolster plate was machined on one of our brand new Doosan bridge mills, which gives us capacity up to 118 wide by 206 inches long. Things like doing T-slots and keyways, easy for these new machines. Coming up another level, quick change plate showing machined locators and mounted parallels. Parallels, which we manufacture millions of pounds of every year, continue to be a strong point of our business. These are machined and assembled to the die set. This Fortel die set is our aluminum grade. We've been offering this material for over 30 years and a great material choice for tooling die and as well as other manufacturing applications. We have shown some demountable bosses on this edge with friction components, including our bronze-plated bushings, which we've been manufacturing for 35 years. We also show our pins and bushings with ball cages and end caps for optimal support. Now coming into some of the innards, we showcase some of our machining. There's pockets, keyways, spring pockets, drill and tap holes. Some newer innovations that you may or may not be familiar with is this year we exhibited round and milled square tool steel. We now offer A2, D2, 4140 material, ground or milled to your preference, with sizes up to 3.5 inches thick. We also offer punches and dies, pilots, precision and special lifting components, wire EDM geometry, support pillars, precision bushings, pins, as I mentioned before, all on display. I hope this short video helps portray some of the changes and investments that this company has made in the last several years. We continue to invest in our equipment, our employees, and their skill sets, and give them the tools to succeed as a world-class manufacturer. If you have the opportunity to see us at a future trade show, or even stop by our shop, we'd be glad to have you. Follow us on social media and see how we continue to evolve.